Hi YouTube, I had a lot of questions about my Budgie videos, how update, so here it goes. Yeah, I switched to a vision cage because too many seats popped out for and stuff. It's actually a good cage in my consideration because of the things that you can see. No, get that. Move to the open up from the side, from both sides. You see, you can take this latch off instead of taking the whole thing apart when you're changing it. That's the side door. So, yeah, I have a little toy Budgie up in there. Even though I have 3, I have a lot of different toys and things. I have a little bell, I have a little roller coaster, I have a little mineral bowl, which is like in the water dish, which I'm actually going to change the water dish after the video because it's actually kind of nasty. And that's, wait, I have a little mirror now for better things. This cage is actually bigger than you've probably seen on videos. That's how it is, but I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting. This has glass, that's why I like it. I don't have no trash over there. Clean as a, just clean, just probably little droppings, but not like big deal, And that's basically probably well, that's it, I guess. And thank you for watching. Bye.